Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equal to 3 sin x. Du we have 3 cosine x dx because first derivative of sin x we have cosine x, dv we have cosine x dx. The integration of this one we have v equal to sin x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration 3 sin x cosine x dx. Next I will put this one go to the left and we have positive the integration of 3 sin x cosine x dx. So we sum two integrals together and we have number 6. Next, we divide both sides by number 6. We divide both sides by number 2. So we have number 3 in here. And later that, I will put about c. And this integration is similar for this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.